नमस्ते सभी को। जब भी क्लासरूम में कहा जाता है कि राइट योर फेवरेट टेबल, सो आउट ऑफ 10 स्टूडेंट 9 स्टूडेंट के फेवरेट टेबल रहता है 10 का टेबल, 5 का टेबल, 2 का टेबल और 1 का टेबल. बट माई क्वेश्चन इज दैट with this table only 10, 5, 2 and 1, can you solve the division sum? And the answer is yes. हाँ जी हाँ, ओनली विद दिस सम यू कैन सॉल्व द डिवीजन सम्स. इस मेथड का नाम है चंकी चंकी क्लाइंबर मेथड, क्लाइंबर डिवीजन. दिस मेथड इज़ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द ट्रेडिशनल मेथड एज वेल एज वैदिक मैथ्स. हम लोग जो स्कूल में डिवीजन सीखते हैं वो कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट है ये चंकी चंकी डिवीजन से. ये चंकी चंकी डिवीजन मेथड सिंपल जो चंक निकाल के उसको पिल आउट करना, that is the way we will take out the small chunk and we will move forward. But इस method के लिए you should know the difference between bigger number and smaller number and you should know the subtraction. ये तो सभी को आता है. Yes, so without wasting time, let's move to this chunky chunky division method. Let's take an example where we will divide 84 divided by 6, where 6 is the divisor and 84 is dividend. 6 का टेबल अगर पता है तो बहुत ही अच्छा है, नहीं पता है तो उससे भी अच्छा है. 6 10s we will take. 6 10s is 60. 60 ये smaller है 84 से, so we will arrange in the division sign as we learn in the traditional method. Same way we will make a division sign. We will arrange a 6 outside, 84 inside, 10 we will write above as we write in the traditional method. We will arrange 60 below the 84 and subtract it. After subtracting 84 minus 60, we will get 24. 24 here is the remainder. Again, if you know the 6 table, I am telling it's very good. If not, then we will move to the 6 ones are. 6 ones are 6. After arranging the 6 below 24, we will get 18. Again, if you know 6 table, it's good. Otherwise, 6 ones are 6. 18 minus 6 will give you 12. Again, 6 ones are 6. We will arrange the 6 below the 12 and we will get the remainder 6. And again, we will solve 6 ones are 6. We will arrange the last 6 below the 6 and we will get the remainder 0. This process will be continue till you get the 0 or the smaller number which is not coming in the divisor. Correct. So here we get 10 and 4 times 1 1 1 1. In the quotient we will add these all the numbers 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 and plus 1, which will equals to 10 plus 4, which will gives you 14, and the quotient is 14. This way we can solve the division sum without knowing the divisor table. One more example we will take. Second digit when divided, 2 digit when divided by 2 digit. We will take the example of 144 divided by 12. When we will arrange this in the division sign, 12 will be outside and 144 will be inside. Here again, if you know the 12's table, it is good. If not, then we will move with the 10s are. 12 10s are is 120, correct? So 120 is smaller than 144. We will arrange 120 below 144 and put the subtraction sign and do the subtraction. Whereas 10s are we will write upstairs, above. We will subtract 144 minus 120, which will gives us 24. Here the 24 is the remainder. As we know that again we will write 24 in 24's table, 24 is coming. We will continue till we get the smaller number or 0. So 21 ones are 21 and 24 we will arrange below the 24, which is our remainder. Subtract it and we will get the 0. We will stop this method, but above for the quotient we will add 10 plus 2, which will give us 12. So the quotient, our answer is 12. The thing which makes the difference from the traditional method is that in the quotient quotient we have to add all the digits, all the numbers to find out the quotient, whereas in traditional method directly we are getting the answer in the quotient, we don't have to add that. Let's take the third example where we will take a little larger number. 156 divided by 7. Again 7 is the divisor, 156 is the dividend. Arrange it in the division sign. 7 will be outside, 156 will be inside. Here we will take little big chunk, I will explain you. 7 20s are 140 because it is 100 now. The divisor is 7 and dividend is 156, so 100, the dividend is of 100 place, so we will take 7 20s are 140, where 140 we will arrange below the 156. We will get, after subtraction, we will get 16 as a remainder. As we know that in 7's table, 7 2s are 14, so 14 is smaller than 16, so we can take 7 2s are 14, so we will arrange it below the 16 and subtract it. The subtraction answer we will get 2, whereas in the quotient we have to write 2s are. So when we will add this all the quotients, the answer is 20 plus 2, which will gives you 22. So when we will subtract 156 divided by 7, the quotient is 22 and remainder is 12. Let's take one more example, little bigger number. We can call it large number. 1352 when divided by 13. As I told you, no need of table. If you know the 13th table, it is good. If you don't know, then also we can do the division. How? Let's see. Arrange the same number in division sign, whereas here the 13 is the divisor and 1352 is dividend. 13 tensor will be the smallest chunk. You can do it with a tensor also, but little bigger, as this is dividend is little bigger, so we will take a bigger chunk, that is 13 hundreds are we will take. All of you all knows the 13 hundreds are is 1300, so we will arrange this 1300 below 1352, whereas the 100 we will write above as shown, and the 1300 we will arrange below the 1352. After subtracting both this number, we will get 52 as a remainder, where in 13th table 52 we know that it comes 4s are. You can take the chunk by 1s are also, 13 1s are, 13 1s are, 13 1s are. You will get 4 times 1, and if you know the table, that is 13 4s are, we know that 13 4s are is 52. So when we will arrange 13 4s are 52, below 52 we will get a remainder 0. And quotient, in quotient we have to add 100 plus 4, which will gives out 104. So when 1352 divided with 13, we will get quotient 104 with 0 remainder. So these are the different way by which we can solve the division. Very big numbers also we can solve by this division method. Try by doing by your own, take your own quotient, take your own dividend, take your own divisor and solve by your own. Ask your doubts, ask your question, that by particular way, if you don't know how to solve, you can send me on this chat, where I will give the steps how to solve your particular question. Ask your doubt not only to me but to your teachers also when you face difficulty. Doubt से याद आया, we all know the Mahabharat. In Mahabharat, Abhimanyu is the very intelligent. उसको चक्रव्यूह में कैसे जाना था पता था, but do you know कहाँ वो लैग कर गया? Means he knows how to enter but how to exit he don't know. So अगर अभिमन्यु क्यूरियस होता था तो वो ये पूछ सकता था श्री कृष्ण से कि हाउ टू कम आउट ऑल्सो, है ना. सो दैट्स द पावर ऑफ क्यूरियोसिटी. सो बी क्यूरियस, आस्क योर डाउट, आस्क योर क्वेश्चन. बिगर नंबर के लिए ये मैथड कैसे वर्क करते हैं वी विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.